I was going to get a golden from a rescue from a place. Good luck to you. You were going to get a golden. Oh, I love the goldens. I have a golden doodle myself, but he was purchased at, I mean, trust me. Hey, I was looking for a golden doodle. And I got him during COVID where there weren't a lot of dogs. And every rescue place was full of, they didn't have any more dogs here during COVID. You couldn't even foster, which is a great thing. Everybody wanted, it was a perfect time for a pet. But there weren't a lot of dogs available. So I remember the dogs were expensive to buy them. They really jacked up those prices during COVID. I was trying to foster during COVID and there was none available. It's bittersweet. I mean, definitely great that there weren't dogs in the rescues. Now it's a whole different story, unfortunately.